Hey guys, and today I want to show you my chicken statue. Gawk, gawk. And I turned it into a restaurant, and it's called Chick-fil-A. Now let's go to Chick-fil-A. I made a cool little design on the wall with this. Okay, so I'm getting pretty hungry. This is a secret door and only employees can open it with their special key. So I'd like some fruit. Ooh, I want some chicken nuggets too. Let me put the fruit back in so you guys can see the chicken nuggets. Where'd they go? My chicken nuggets. Let me put the watermelon back and show you my chicken nuggets. Let's see. Look, it's my little chicken nuggets. And then I have my chicken, my chicken patty, chicken nuggets, and fruit. So I could just, like, if I was hungry, I could just put my little chicken patty right on the table or on the ground. Okay, let's go to this other place up here in our chicken tour. It is the view area, and we also have party tables right here. Just bring your food up. Here's just another view area. You can just hang out and jump off the roof. I died. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like my peacock chicken. Yeah. Yep. Bye bye, guys.